Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. This is probably the 5th Vlogmas. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with anyone and everyone so you know what your girl is doing. I just got out the shower. I'm gonna get dressed. We're gonna go to my friend's house. We're gonna drink. We're gonna open gifts. And yeah, so stay tuned in the next clip. So I'm about to head out. This is my outfit. I have on a misguided sweatshirt, Zara jacket, some leggings from Target, and my Uggs. So yeah, see you in my next clip. Look how long my hair getting. I need to cut it so bad. But yeah, peace out.
Not eating it. Maybe I need to bump my ass in there.
No, but what we talking about, the cooking one? You can do that. Look who I'm with, me.
I fell in love with Kayla. That pussy was so good.
Oh. So we're gonna exchange Christmas gifts, guys. Ah!
I'm trying. What?
Oh, boy.
Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Alright.
What? What's the issue?
It is an issue.
There's no issue.
Yes, sir. Because what? I did not know. Wait. I did not know all of this was coming.
Alright, bitch. Alright. Come on.
No, because what? I did not know. She always got some other stuff up her sleeves, guys.
You know it.
And she only told me she wanted one thing.
But you only told me you wanted one thing too. So
Tiffany and Co. She said one thing. We were supposed to get one thing.
who said that? Since you didn't win the elephant one, I got you the elephant.
This is cute. This going your
army. The army one.
This one. Yeah, this one.
You sure?
It's gonna feel weird on this one.
Oh, I didn't know your wrist was that small. I ain't know your wrist was that small though.
Wait, it is.
It is small.
So tiny.
Mm-hmm. Oh shit. Come on.
You don't even gotta worry about it because I know something that you need. Don't even worry.
You want to do me a favor? You want to hold that one?
Yeah. Nice.
It is nice.
I love this.
I got this one.
Oh, that one is nice too.
Alright, then on to the next. I didn't really write much.
Aww. I'm gonna another hug because she gonna make me cry. I don't give hugs. I'm not affectionate at all. So for me to hug her, do you want me to read it out loud?
No.
Alright. Well, I can't read it out loud to you. Lip gloss. Versace.
And that's it, guys.
That's it.
Send a message to my Instagram. You's a vegan, but you're going ham. Lot of niggas wanna be like me. But you know the difference. You know it's
It's
different.
wild.
We work hard.
Only bang on me.
They said put the wine to the top is good. Somebody brought me some products for me. What? Let that coochie breathe. Hands on your knees.
What we cheered
Some
to?
gifts come.
More life?
More life. More peace.
Yes, happiness.
Christmas.
Yes, amen. And the new year that we just gotta have a ball.
I'm gonna have fun this year.
We gotta have fun. That's it. Period. All right. Mika got this white ass Santa. Like
That's
who?
Poppy. That's Poppy.
Who has a white Santa in their house?
We diverse over here.
No, we not. Look
That's
at this
the
nigga
Chinese
right
one.
here.
That's the Chinese one.
Oh fuck no. Do y'all know I'm sick of this bitch already? I am so. I'm this close. All right. I am sick of this girl. I am sick of this bitch for real. What you got? Go ahead. What you got?
Resposado.
Down Julio. Down Julio, make me a fool for ya. What? I might hit your phone up with that rock.
Don Julio go right to my coochie.
Coochie. My cootie cat.
Don Julio make your cootie cat wet.
She's trying to pour us. I'm like, what is going on? Like, first of all, wait. I just came over here just to open gifts and chit chat and relax, right? We go get seafood. We drinking wine. And she's trying to have me take a shot. Is crazy. And she about to trying to pass it to me. Ah.
Yeah, make.
Why is my shit?
It's not big. You got less. Ready?
Can you come close?
Okay.
Cheers.
Whoa. I got lemon. Let's cut some up.
Whew. Ooh. Oh my fucking God.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Everyone's gathering around the fire, chestnuts roasting like a hot July. I should be chilling with my folks, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Word on the street, Santa's coming tonight. Reindeers flying through the sky so high. I should be making a list, I know. I'ma be under the mistletoe. Shawty with you, shawty with you. Under the mistletoe. Shawty with you, under the mistletoe. Yeah. The wise men follow the star, the way I follow my heart. And they led me to a miracle, yeah. Don't you buy me nothing, I am feeling one thing. Your lips on my lips, that's a merry, merry Christmas. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights through the streets, spend so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter. I know, I will be under the mistletoe. I don't want to miss out on the holiday.
Hi guys. So I got flowers. My honey gave me flowers. So we're gonna put it in the vase. You can barely see. This is what I got. Kayali, Eden, Juicy Apple, my favorite. And then the elixir, the Burberry Her. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. And I got a card too, so yeah. So Christmas is tomorrow, so hopefully I'll show you guys what everybody gets. What else? Yeah, what everybody get, what I get. And yeah, we're gonna just wrap this Vlogmas up then after that. Yeah. See you tomorrow. I'm about to help my mom putting this Barbie doll house together for my niece. Let's see if I can do it. Merry Christmas! So excited. I want to show you my pajamas that I got. Let's see if we can do it. Is this a good angle? Because I don't know. So let's see. This is my outfit. Bow, 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 bow. Yeah. So this is my outfit for Christmas. I look cute. Always. I get new pajamas every single year. I think I have an addiction. I think I have a problem. I really do have a problem. I need to get it together. But yeah, it's my outfit. I'll show you everybody else when I go downstairs. But yeah, this is gonna be a lit kind of like last day of Vlogmas. It's crazy. It's gonna be lit. You're gonna see everything I did, all of that good stuff. So yeah, and y'all gonna see what I got, kind of thing. So like, come on, that's really the best thing, you know. Yeah, and y'all got I let y'all step into my world a little bit this year, so I'm excited about it. I ain't show y'all too much, but I did show you a little bit. But yeah, I'll show y'all my personality, you know, how I'm a vibe. I am a vibe. These are the ears Namika got me for my Christmas, so I've been wearing them shits. I've been wearing these since I got them, kind of thing. It goes with every outfit I have. Like look at the little green with my green outfit. It's just chef's kiss. But this outfit is from Target. I wish the pants was a little longer, but you know what I wish I would have got? But I don't have social media, so I would have never even known. She had like a Christmas kind of like collection. Jada Waiterman. I would have got them because I seen somebody on Twitter have it. But since I don't have Instagram, I can't really see what's the new drops or nothing like that. So yeah, I'm a little upset about that part, but it's all right. It's always next year. But yeah, I've been rambling, right? Sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna show you everybody, and then that's just that. Period. Ooh, look at
your Santa socks.
she got them on.
I'm up here. Big girl.
I don't know if you got any clothes.
Good.
No.
Good. Oh, who gave you this?
Nana.
Nana. Oh, nice.
Alana, Alana, where are you?
You have like a cute little plate or something.
Come here right now. I need you right now. Look how beautiful you are. Come on, show them your face. Show them that face. Show them that face. That face is beautiful.
Y'all been beasting to wear this jacket again.
How's it dipped again? Is it spicy or not?
A little bit spicy.
A little bit spicy. You think you might need something to drink?
No.
You sure? Going once? Going twice? That's it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Milan. We should open. We should open up with this one first. You're not gonna like
Milan.
this very much.
All right, come on.
I'm about to bring it all too.
Put this down.
Yeah, oh, she did.
Hey.
So go over there.
Okay, that's fine. She has more.
It's time to open presents.
Come on. All right. All right. I'm done.
No, I'm gonna go. Yeah.
You want to open gifts from Santa?
Listen. Merry Christmas.
What is this?
Merry and bright.
Sure.
Wow.
Okay, you gonna just
You like it?
show. You got a little turtleneck.
Wow.
But you might have to take this one back because it's like don't match. So yeah.
I still like it.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Show.
She likes it. That's good.
Huh?
Make sure you show them the shirt.
Wow, that's
Wow.
so cute.
Like the picture ain't like.
Nothing.
What are you thinking?
Oh, that's what happens when
You
you
love
need
it?
a HDMI wire. Cause this one
This
is
is
the
a
one.
new TV.
Wow, pants
This
to
one been like
match.
this forever.
So it'll be like nice.
Well, the same HDMI.
Wow,
That one came by the set.
that's so cute. I love that.
Something behind us.
It's the pants.
Nice.
I love the color. You like it?
You think?
Yeah, show daddy.
I think Daddy would like the teddy bear one too. Remind me of him. That's it. Okay. No. What's she going at? What's she
You
doing?
want to put that in the bag?
Let
Put all
her.
your stuff together so you don't get
Let her.
Wait,
No. It's a bag behind there.
I know this is.
Okay.
No.
You wait. Girl.
You gotta open this one.
That's from Lovey.
Wow. You got a new coat.
Thank you, Lovey.
You're welcome, baby.
I like this one.
In your mouth.
What else is in the bag?
Okay, what else you got?
Have the gloves.
Glove. Ooh. Right. We needed a new set. This is perfect. You like it?
Yeah.
Alright.
They have crystals on them.
Yeah. So
Crystals,
cute.
you said.
Crystals.
You want the other
So-
one? You want to open the back one?
What is that one? Huh?
I'll check
no.
out this one.
Okay,
No,
wait.
no.
Stop beasting.
No. Look
How you know that's for you?
No, come here, Milan. Boy, we not gonna open
No.
it.
How you
What
know-
do you
how you know
want?
Why
that's
don't
for
you get
you?
one she won't
Which
open
one?
up?
No. In the bag?
You leave that behind. No, that's on Dawn's. Look on the bottom of the box and see if
M.
you see an M.
Okay.
Who that?
Where's mom?
We help.
I'll help you. In the middle. Wow.
You got a new necklace?
How beautiful.
Wow.
It says love. You like that?
Yeah.
I love it.
You want to put it on?
I think you should put it on.
You want to put it on? Yes?
That's it.
That's it.
And the fluffy thing.
And the fluffy thing. Come here.
Can I see?
Oh, that looks so nice.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Let me get the fluffy thing, please. Oh.
You got a bike?
Yeah.
Why are you not
That
excited?
thing been all over.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
She's like for
Oh, wow. You got a coloring book?
Wow.
My Little Pony.
I want to see what it's like here.
No, later you can open it.
Fine.
Show my camera. What is it?
Oh, you got a chef Barbie.
Nice.
You
Girly.
guys can be chefs together.
It's a fluffy thing.
Wow, Care Bear.
Yeah, I like it. I watched that before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's like this grown up face.
I'll see what's in here.
Okay, we'll open it. Do you like it? Let me see it. Is it a color reveal, Barbie?
No.
Cutie review.
Something. It's like a surprise or something. I think
Oh,
you
cutie
try-
reveal.
Mm-hmm.
I think
The Barbie reveal ones. All right.
All right, Alana, go ahead. You gonna take it off? No.
That's not yours.
that's not true.
Over here. Over here. Go ahead.
The one you want.
Wait, you gotta help. You gotta
Okay,
help
hold
me
on.
with that. Wait, yeah, because it's gonna be too heavy. The blankets. Just stand in the front.
Alana, yes.
Stand right there.
Yes.
Four, three, two, one.
This is what I wanted.
Yeah. So listen, look at me. You see the camper?
Yeah.
That's from T. T brought that for you. And Lovey buy you the house.
What is this?
Well, let's thank Titi Mothers though too.
Oh, Titi Mother put it together.
Put it together for you yesterday.
But not
So
all of
happy.
We didn't put all the stickers and stuff.
But that's most of it. Don't see it.
No, I'm not.
Golly.
That they
All right,
gotta
what do you
put.
say?
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
Say cheesy
Let's
cheese.
take a picture. Cheese. All right.
That thing bigger than you, Milan.
I didn't know it was this big.
And me neither.
I'm still tall.
Yeah.
Still touches me.
Where is this
Thank
going?
you guys so much. Moms. You're a good rapper, Mom.
What? Tiffany.
One is this.
That's for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. You could have got me the biggest size. But
That is the biggest
no, it's
size.
not the biggest size.
That's what she said.
That is not the biggest size. But I mean, hey,
No,
we
but
all get each other the biggest size. Just saying.
I said to her, give me the biggest size. Oh, well, I'll buy it again.
I
That's
appreciate it though.
No, I didn't realize that.
Biggest size they had available.
Yeah, I said, give me the biggest size.
Honestly,
Why would
I
I?
failed a little bit on big sizes too because it was just hard. Shit was sold out.
Mommy, can you help
Got
me
a
put this together?
necklace.
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice.
Right. From Bo. Gift card.
I wanted this one. And they stacked.
Okay. They cute. They cute. Okay, and then Karina. Yay.
Let me see your thing.
Yay! Book Club 2024.
Yes, sir. Excited.
Got you a clear case.
And the stickers.
And I got the stickers. Yes. Gotta fit the aesthetics.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Enjoy.
Mommy, can I
What was that?
help me?
Writers?
Can you help?
I got my slippers. I threw my other ones away. I was so excited.
You know what you got last year?
It wasn't last year. We didn't get them. Yeah, it was definitely 2 years ago.
Because I cooked the shit out of mine.
She said you have to return
I
that.
seen you the digital receipt.
Okay.
Thank
you, though.
Both back.
Thank you.
Cause she got all of them already. Even the one that I did for my birthday.
Change the sun like that.
Get the pedal, Alana.
Cause she gives her list to
No,
everybody.
Bo did.
You gotta separate it.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I got my other one here.
Yeah, I didn't get the list. I said I didn't get the list. But that's okay.
These are Navy ones?
I think the ones that you wanted. I don't know which ones is those.
The Navy ones. Because I put two different colors.
They came back in stock. Bell.
They bells?
The.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, it's like one flip. Like it's wide at the bottom. Still lay material from
Yours is thick. This is school.
No, that's a Yale.
Another thing.
I had these on my list, right?
What do you think? She just getting it off the top of her head?
You got some sense of style, but you ain't always talking.
Listen, I give credit where credit's due. That's okay.
Thank you, mother.
You're welcome.
Milan, give me mother the
This is
garbage
from
of the
you.
Barbie stuff.
Well,
Is this which wrapping paper? Yeah, that's from the.
Is that a star?
I only bought you two from your list. Because they bought all of the ones before. This one, the last one, I was in the city. He was at a store.
He really
I
liked
smelled
it.
No, that ain't
He said, I thought about my mom. He's like, my mom will like this.
Here's that thing.
thank
Here's that
you.
thing.
So we can put it back together.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't get it wrong. I'm sorry.
Just leave it on the house, man.
Huh?
Just leave it on the house. So put it in your little golden box. Put it in your golden box.
Because I got empty bottles on the dresser. Oh man, I'm like a junkie for this. I don't even care about other stuff.
You spray
That's it,
yourself.
My
right?
little one. Where's mine?
I have it broken.
Sorry, you know, me and your daughter have the same mindset.
Another one. See, I don't take mine back. Look, another one. No, I still No, because I use them.
Yeah.
So.
You know what it is? I guess I don't use them though. But no, I have like another one I want to get. I'm itching.
I know what these are.
Cause you asked for.
Oh.
They do look big.
Yeah, they do.
They only have something.
I always love the gray ones.
Jordan 11 lows.
Huh?
Jordan 11 lows.
You just use it.
Stop.
Okay.
I don't want them allowed in the pool.
You're right. And I don't think that hat allowed in the pool either.
Throw that whole outfit.
The
The
hat?
whole outfit.
She got wet. Did you check? You ain't see your fridge down there? You got a refrigerator in it and cook some food.
It's so hard to take off. See?
Let me see. Oh, look, it's stuck. That's why. I gotta cut it off if you wanted to.
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, you had a card over there too. I know that's not bad.
It's cute.
That's something that they give away.
I love that.
Yes.
That's so nice. That's like the vintage Fendi style.
Like, yeah,
Like the vintage, like back in the day print. Lovey, that purse is fire. I love it. Yes. No?
Nah, she is.
I think it's
That's
very
something
cute.
I would like though.
Yeah.
What was wrong with it? It looks just
so
like
nice.
the other. It looks just like the other chain ones you got.
Because I wanted a leather one, not the cloth. But I like it.
I think it's cute.
It is cute though.
It is. I'll wear something like that.
I'm going on the bicycle.
Oh, you put the helmet on?
No, that's
Oh, girl, okay.
Is she driving with a cake in her hand?
She got a cake.
She gotta make a delivery.
Daddy, follow.
Thank you.
She gotta make a delivery for her cake.
There's another pool too.
You tired of holding that? I can hold it. Okay. I know. It's a little heavy.
Because there's another pool too. There's another pool too.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Only this pool too.
You wanted those. Oh, okay. Those are nice.
Really nice.
Thank you. Those are really nice.
That was really nice. So like you could always wear
I
those
love the
too?
soles. Like,
Yeah.
Thank you. No, but they look nice.
I didn't eat rice yesterday.
well, since Jazier like rice, you know? Oh, you can have some of that rice.
If you don't want the rice, don't eat the rice.
Come on, you can have rice.
She said she had
Listen,
it
just
yesterday.
eat your food then. You sitting here playing. Say cheese to the camera.
Wait.
Thanks.
Alright. So when my car was finally done, it was like, oh no, they sent us the check. It's good, you don't owe us nothing. I'm like, okay.
And you had a $2,500 check?
I had the cash on.
You can't eat all of that. That's a lot of fat.
You getting
Take it off.
Yeah, that's a
Take it
lot,
off.
though. That ain't even off by $500.
No.
Cause you usually could pocket about $5.
Yeah, no.
But
Pocket a lot more
$2,500?
than that.
Oh, and nobody ain't say nothing?
I was
Broken off.
That's right.
And I was like, where's the fog light? I go walk in the parking lot.
That's a wrap for Vlogmas Day 5. That's it. I'm done with Vlogmas. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see this again next year, let me know. Or if you want me to add a little bit more days. I'm probably not. I don't know. I have to see. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. Before this video ends, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video with anyone and everyone so you know what your girl is doing. And I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays and stay blessed. And that's it. It's a wrap. Till next time.